Now here we are with Anthony from Twisty Mountain Motorcycle Tours. Gonna try to get some good footage today. He also has a pretty looking Z1000SX. I'll put the other camera on, okay. And then as we'll go right here on the A1060.
Yep.
And as we're going down, I'll go a little bit slower, and you can ride up, ride back, go past.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Do you want to swap it over then? Do you want to put it on mine and you do the same?
Yeah. When we turn off for Onga,
yeah, then
we'll swap it.
Yeah. I'll put that one on, and I'll see if I can follow you through some corners. It's quite nice to get that perspective when you follow someone. It looks quite good, I think.
Okay.
And you don't get too much vibration.
It's got really good stabilization.
Really?
Yeah. Okay.
What would you like me to do?
Just ride, stay a bit to the left. I'll come past a few times.
Okay.
I might ride close to you for a little while.
Say again?
I might ride close to you for a little while as well.
Right,
just information for a little while.
What I'll do then, if I just do steady 40, 45, and then you can just advance and retreat as you wish.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So I'm just following you, yeah?
So you just follow me,
Yeah.
and I'll just see how the pictures come out.
How close do you want me?
Get as close as you like. I'm not going to do anything silly, I'm not going to brake fast or anything like that.
How wide is it? Is it here okay?
Well, you know where you were standing?
Yeah.
So here, I can get head to...
Okay, so from here to here should be okay, yeah?
Yeah,
if I'm here, can you see it?
Get you there.
Huh?
It might get you there.
Okay. So Anthony set his DSLR there on the back of his tailback, and we're trying to see if we can get some good pictures out of that. The problem is we're riding away from the sun, and so there might be quite a lot of light flare.
We'll go back. I'll leave it running because it was running for 8 minutes.
Okay.
So we should be able to get some shots going that way.
Yep.
And then we'll pull up at the pub and I'll have a quick look see and see what goes on.
Okay. Alright, cool. It's going to rain now. Yeah. Rained off. Alright, I'll send you a message. Oh, look at this horrible rain. Oh no. Oh, you stupid pheasant. Just had a nice day out with Anthony from Twisty Mountain Motorcycle Tours, trying out some different camera angles for video and still footage. We'll see how they turn out. If I have them by the time this video goes out, I'll put some stills here, some footage here, and it was nice and sunny up until now. It's been glorious actually, the start of 2022. I had fantastic nice warm weather, but it's just started to turn now. Just in time to go home. So 2022 has started well. Long may it continue. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you enjoy this, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care, my friends. Bye bye.